I stand before this Honorable House to table a report on the Select Committee on the revocation of appointment of the Clerk of the County Assembly of Kisii in accordance to Section 23 of the County Assembly Service Act 2017. I table. On behalf of the committee, an acknowledgement. The members of the committee are as follows: Honorable Machuki, the chair; Honorable Ibrahim Mongubo, vice chair; Honorable Amos Ondori, member; Ismail Matundua, member; Honorable Lodasho Mariba, member; Honorable Nicodemus Omamba, member; Honorable Peter Gekanana, member; Honorable James Ungeria, member; Honorable Beatrice Makwaya, member; and Honorable Thomas Obari, a member. We were assisted by the following, that is Nancy Nyata, Committee Clerk; Grace Karagita, Committee Clerk; Nora Posiboria, Committee Clerk; Posiboria Nyakaya, Committee Clerk; Brenda Nyamoga, Legal Counsel; Sarah Mokeira, Legal Counsel; Jared Maovi Hansard, and Danica Metemo, Sergeant at Arm. Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I seek to skip the pages that deals with the background and they mention majorly on the process of removal of the Clerk of the Assembly, and allow me go to the accusation that were brought before this House in a form of motion. I want to say that pursuant to the resolution of the board meeting of 24th August 20, that is on page 13, 2022, and in line with the provision of section 20, 22, and 23 of the County Assembly Service Act number 24 of 2017 and other applicable laws, the board had suspended Mr. Nyaoga, as already said. And the grounds were gross misconduct and misbehavior. Details are given there. Violation of the provision of the Constitution, including Chapter 6. Details are also there. The violation and the provision of the County Assemblies Act 2017. They are also given there. And that takes us to page. Somebody is moving to page 40, but now from that report, the clear charges that I must read before this House are as follows. There were 3 in number. That is the gross misconduct and misbehavior. On 4th March 2021, about 100 members of the staff presented to the County Assembly Service Board a petition. County Assembly Service Board a petition that unearthed serious financial and non-financial irregularities and illegalities committed by the clerk when the clerk was invited to the board to make the allegation to his presentation on these matters. He refused to be examined and to answer questions put to him by the board. Therefore, his conduct is deemed a gross misconduct, and as it contravenes section 2343(1)(f) and the County Assembly of the County Assembly Service Act 2017. I think the clerk again sanctioned and authorized promotion, created new offices, merged directorate, appointed the new staff without the express authority of the board, contrary to contrary to the County Assembly Scheme of Service, section 25(1), and the County's Assembly Act 2017. The county violated Article 231(1)(a) and (c) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 by deliberately failing to facilitate officers tied to his office in the office of the Speaker, negating public policies stipulated by Salary and Remuneration Commission via the Kenya Gazette Notice of 7th July 2017. Further, the clerk failed to manage the work ticket for the Speaker's official car denying the Speaker his privileges. In May 2021, the Office of the Clerk facilitated the impeachment of the Speaker, which flopped on the floor of the House. However, the Clerk went ahead to illegally declare the vacance of the Office of the Speaker of Kisii County Assembly by way of Gazette notice issued to the Kenya Gazette as a notice number 5232 and published as a special issue on 31st May 2021, whereas there was a valid court order issued by the High Court of Kenya restraining the impeachment of the Speaker. This amount to gross misconduct or misbehavior pursuant to Section 22 of the County Assembly Service Act 2017. The second charge was on violation of the provision of the Constitution, including Chapter 6, and the allegation were that the clerk undermined the smooth functioning of the Speaker's office, ignored the court orders restraining the Speaker's to office being the Speaker's office being the Court of Appeal in Kisii under civil case application number 072 of 2021. In the same vein, he failed to money the work ticket for the official car of the Speaker beginning the month of March 2021. This amount to not only insubordination but also violation of Article 22 to 32, 1A and C of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, including Chapter 6. Mr. Speaker, the Select Committee, having exercised its mandate under Section 23 of the County Assembly Service Act number 24 of 2017, find all the charges of against the clerk, Mr. James Omariba Nyaoga, on the ground of gross misconduct and misbehavior, violation of the Constitution of Kenya, including Chapter 6, and the violation of the County Assembly Service Act number 24 of 2017, to have been substantiated and support notice of motion dated 20th August 2024 by Honorable James Ondari, Vice Chairperson, County Assembly Service Board, seeking that the County Assembly revokes the appointment of Mr. James Omariba Nyaoga as the Clerk of the Kisii County Assembly.
5. Tenor 13 and the spoiled 2, total 70. Of course, the yes have it. But however, honorable members, Section 23, Subsection 8 of the County Assembly Act number 24 of 2017 states that if the Assembly approves a motion filed under the section, the clerk against whom the motion was filed shall be deemed to have been removed from office from the date the motion was approved. Means now has been removed from the office from today. Honourable members, of course, having obtained a majority of votes of the members of the County Assembly, as I have said, Mr. James Omariba Nyaoga, his appointment as the Clerk of the Kisii County Assembly stands revoked pursuant to Section